In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Dual Messenger. Following that, tap on this Twitter next to use a separate contact list if you wish to activate it. And to disable it, click on the same no blue one. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting OK. To clone one of your apps, just click on grey sweater next to the available one and tap on Install. So when I go back, as you can see, my WhatsApp app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings, hit now blue sweater next to your app and tap on Uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!